Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from Appsit. So in this video I will say a few words about the CVS processor that I'm currently added right now on AdminLTE, the Django version of the product. With this feature, the starter is able to generate a model that can be migrated and used later based on the CSV file. Once the model is generated, you have also the possibility to upload all the information provided by the CSV into the database, and also use later the generated model in the dynamic data table feature. Let me show you. I will for now I will start a project. Okay, if we go here to the data tables, we can see that we have this dynamic data table module which I presented a few days ago. If you change up the model, you have the new information here. So, and during this session, I will generate a new model using a local CSV. Of course, you can add your own CSV. I will load the information into the CSV, and later I will use the dynamic data table feature to inject here in this view automatically the new model. And like this, all the basic features like filters, search, export, and hide show feature should be available for the new model. Okay, so I will go back to the CLI. Okay, the CSV needs to be in the media directory, and for this demonstration I will use refunds.csv, which is a super simple CSV with some information. There is also mapper.json, which is a file that helps to configure a few things regarding the CSV, such as the column type. You can specify, for instance, if you want to process a specific column as being integer, or you want to process the timestamps, because processing the CSV files is not an easy task, and you can easily land on a situation where the information is distorted, and you have one thing on the input file and another thing loaded in database. Anyway, I will stick to the simple concept, and I will showcase how to generate a new model based on this CSV. The command that does this operation is the CSV to model, and we have it here, CSV to model, and for the help, try to use -i. We have here a few options, but for now I will execute the default. The default will scan the media directory, and for each CSV file will generate a model. We can also monitor the code base for changes, and all the generated code should be available here once the operation is completed. Okay, let's execute the helper. We can see here that in the print that the refunds.csv is detected. We have here the definition of the fields, and also an associated form is generated for this model. Let's take a look at the definition. We have here refunds, all the fields that corresponds to the CSV. We can see here we have ID, product, buyer, email, country, whatever, and the same thing is here. In the console, we can check out the detected types. So we have text, integer, text, and integer. In case something is not good, feel free to update manually the generated form, and all should be okay. The second thing that is generated is the form, because we also need this structure in order to operate correctly. The dynamic data table is a thing that I explained in my previous video. Data table, in order to operate on any model defined in our application, needs to know the model definition and also the associated form, because some meta information is extracted from both and used later in the UI. Okay, now we have the form, we have the model. The next step is to migrate the database. Let me do this. All should be okay. And also migrate. So right now we have the model. We can start application, and all should be okay. Let me check here in the browser how it works. For now, we don't have the model injected here, but let's authenticate as an admin and see the model. Users, models, sales, common here. Products, refunds. This is the new model. So we can add a new field here, but it's not our goal in this video to do this. Okay, let's go back. We are not authenticated, and right now we have the data table module, which is not configured to load the new refunds. Let's go to the settings and make this step. The configuration required for data table is super simple. You need to go to the bottom of the file, and we have here a section, dynamic data table, and you need to add a new line where the key in this array is the model, and the argument is the form. Okay, now the application is reloaded. Let's reload the page, and we can see here the refunds. Of course, there is we have no information here. It's just the model that currently is empty. If we authenticate, we are able to add new information here by clicking on add. We can see that all the fields are dynamic. I didn't do any coding regarding this integration. And now let's go back to the CLI and load the information. So the CSV to model helper knows how to load the information. Basically, scans the CSV and detects the model in the application, and simply process line by line, and your information should be up and running. Right now, I have no rows here, and I will run the loader, which prints all the information loaded and also will provide some stats regarding the imported lines. If a line has an error, it's counted here, but in this case all the fields are properly processed, and we should have all the information loaded in the UI. Let me start application. If we refresh the page, we can see here we have all the information. Let's so we have 12 rows, and we have here the same count, so the information is the same. So guys, this is the feature. Basically, any CSV can be processed. You have a lot of flexibility using the mapper file, which knows how to change the name of the columns, change the type. You can also add some processors, like if you have a date in a specific format, you can specify the format you want to be saved in the database and other things. but I will get back in another video regarding this type of customization, because it's not so simple. For now, we need to understand that any CSV can be translated later to a model in our application. We can process the information, we can load the information. Imagine that you have, let's say, a CSV with 1 million rows, so it's quite hard to manage it in the classic Excel. Like this, having this module, you can generate a module in your Django application. You can import the information in the database, and from that point you can provide the statistics, you can export reports, you can process the information easier. Also, the pagination here is made server side. You have also a custom search and filters and other things. You can narrow the selection of the information, and this might be super useful in some scenarios. Let us what you think. The product is on sale on AppSeed. You need to go here. It's on the discount section, and the price we think is super nice. You get all these features. We have a flexible license model, and if anyone lands on a bug regarding this product, let us know, and we will try to help. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye, guys.